Hello. On Word we will see a function that can be interesting. It is reading aloud. In my case, the icon is here. But if you don't have it on your tool ribbon, you'll need to go to View and customize the ribbon and tools to view it and have it at your disposal. I place my cursor at the beginning of the text to be read aloud. When I click on the tool, I have a wizard at the top right of my screen, which allows you to change the following settings. Male or female voice, reading speed. I launch here and I find that the reading is too fast. I pause and reduce the playback speed using the slider. When the playback aloud is started, the progress of the playback cursor is visible on the screen. Word can read in languages that are included in its installation library, or otherwise in languages that are added to it in modules. Good night.